Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we shall be discussing the practice test paper 3, and as you all know, this test was conducted on 25th, that is on Saturday. So, today we are going to discuss all the answers in this session. So, the first question was the plane formed by the orbit is known as, and there were two options, orbital plane and inclination. So here children, the correct answer is orbital plane. So the plane formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. And inclination children, inclination means degree of sloping or the angle which is formed when a straight line or plane is inclined to another. So basically inclination means tilt or slant, the angle at which something is tilted or angle at which something is slanting. So that is inclination. So here the first correct answer is orbital plane. Moving on, second question was the movement of the earth around the sun is known as. There were two options, rotation and revolution. So here the correct answer is revolution, because we all know that when the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path that is known as revolution, and rotation is the movement or spinning of the earth on its own axis. So that is why option 2 revolution is the right answer. Now next children, question number 3 is the earth is going around the sun in an, again there were two options, elliptical orbit or circular orbit. So here children, the correct answer is elliptical orbit. All the planets move around the sun in a fixed path, and this path is elliptical in shape or elongated in shape. So the correct answer is elliptical orbit, and circular orbit is an incorrect option. Now question number 4. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer on. Again there were two options, 21st June and 23rd September. So here children, the correct answer is on 21st June the rays of the sun fall directly on Tropic of Cancer. And we all know that on 21st June it is summer solstice, and northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, and the rays of the sun fall directly on Tropic of Cancer. Whereas on 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on equator. On 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator, and at this position neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. So the correct option is 21st June. Now question number 5. When the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights, it is called dash. So the two options were solstice and equinox. So here children, the correct option or the correct answer is equinox. So equinox is a time when the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator, and this happens twice a year, on 21st March and on 23rd September. And when this happens, whole of the earth experiences equal days and equal nights. So equinox is the time when the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights. Whereas solstice children is a time when the sun rays falls directly on either Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn. So the correct answer is equinox. Then question number 6 is changes in days and nights are caused due to, the two options were revolution and rotation. So here children, the correct answer is rotation. As we all know, earth rotates, and due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of the earth gets light and the other half remains in darkness. So the portion that faces the sun experiences daytime and the portion away from the sun experiences nighttime. So day and night happens, change in day and night happens due to rotation, and revolution causes changes in seasons. So change in season occurs due to revolution. So here the correct answer is rotation. Now question number 7. What is the angle of the inclination of Earth's axis with its orbital plane? So here children, the correct answer is 66.5 degree, and we can also call it 66.5 degree, and 23.5 degree or 23.5 degree is the angle at which the Earth's axis is tilted. So Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degree, but the angle of inclination of Earth's axis with its orbital plane is 66.5 degree. So option number 1 is the correct answer. Now question number 8. The circle that divides the day from the night on the globe is called, two options were circle of illumination and Earth day. So here the correct answer is circle of illumination, and it is a circle that separates day and night, whereas Earth day is the period of rotation of Earth. So the period of rotation of Earth is known as Earth day, while the circle that divides day from night is known as circle of illumination. So that is the correct answer. Now question number 9 was, a leap year has dash number of days. Again the two options were 365 days or 366 days. So here children, we very well know that leap year has got 366 days. So option number 2, 366 is the right answer, whereas 365 days children is the number of days that we usually have in a year. So 366 is the correct answer. Now the last question, question number 10. On 21st March and 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on the dash. The two options were equator and Tropic of Capricorn. So children, on 21st March and 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. So equator is the right answer. And when this happens, it is equinox, and as a result, whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights of 12 hours each. Whereas when the rays of the sun fall on Tropic of Capricorn, it is winter solstice, and this occurs on 22nd December. So Tropic of Capricorn is the wrong answer and equator is the right answer. So children, here we have discussed all the question and answers, and I was very happy to see that most of you have performed very well in the test. Now you have to keep up the good work that you are doing, and if at all you have got any doubts related to geography, you are free to come and ask me. And this was end of this session children. So I will see you all in the next session. Till then, please take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Thank you children.